all that. Forget y'all. We already late. It's already started. Back to the show. Snaggy. What's up, loves? Hi guys, happy new year. It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire back again for another video. I'm so excited to be in 2021 with you guys. If I haven't said happy new year to you guys in my last video, make sure you first go check that out, and then second, happy new year. So today I am doing a how to style basics. I got on this basic black dress. I'm gonna show you how I style my fits with just one basic piece and how you can get fresh fits with just one piece. So take a look, because it's the last time I'll be looking this basic, and we'll get into the video. But first, let me just tell y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all of that to my video, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Okay guys, let's start with the first fit. I got this long ripped blue jean jacket that is whitewashed, and I added the layered chain, gold chain with a gold disc at the bottom. For my pop of color, I've added these yellow tennis shoes. I actually got those from my sister. Don't know the deets on those, but I always think that when you're styling basics, you always want like to be casual, cute, or with a pop of color. So I kind of incorporated all these things. I think this is so cute and so comfy. And now I'm just gonna switch the jean jacket to a shorter jean jacket. I'm keeping the same accessories with the gold chain jewelry and the gold hoops, but I'm switching my tennis shoes to Converses and adding this MK belt purse. Now, you don't have to add this purse specifically. You can add a fanny pack or something, but I wanted to give you a different sporty look so you guys can know that, hey, your basics are very versatile. And just a little piece for me, I love shades, guys. You already know I love me some shades. So these black and gold shades, especially just top the look off and make it just oh so cute. And oh my gosh, look at that, cute. And with my white Converses, now these are not the regular Converses, these are the heightened heel Converses in all white. These are, I think they're really relatively new to the market, maybe like a year or two out. I may be wrong, but I literally just got these Converses like in the last 2-3 months. And this is my finished look. I do not have any names for these looks yet, so make sure that you comment down below and let me know if you have any names for these looks. Give me some thumbs up, give me some comments, let me know how you like these first two looks. Alright, now switching gears just a little bit, I got on these booties, and I'm gonna add this cute black fedora with a chain around it, and I'm gonna show you how I accessorize this fit. Switching gears, not just strictly casual, but making it cozy chic, especially ideal for winter. And I don't know if you can tell, but I have on these long dangly silver pieces, silver earrings. Especially so cute for the winter time. So now I'm putting this oversized black and white striped cardigan. I actually got this, I think, from Shein or Boohoo. I think it was Shein, honestly. But this oversized cardigan is so ideal for the winter time, and it's a heavy piece, y'all. It's a real heavy piece. Like, this piece is heavy. It's got pockets. We know we love pockets. You can button it, you can unbutton it. I'm talking about really cute. And again, I'm just showing you outfits that you don't have to put much effort into to make sure that your basics are not as basic. Come on, girl, you better styling and profiling. Yes, ma'am. And I don't know if I mentioned, but my booties are leather. All right, switching gears, making it a little bit more classy, a little bit more upscale. You feel me? I look like you can go take me out to dinner. But I have on this gold chain belt, and I wanted to take off my shoes to show you guys the details. These are Coach shoes. I actually got them from the mall. But they're cheetah print, and they have gold details. And I want to show you that the back of the heel is lined in gold, which is so cute for this fit. Now, mind you, again, you do not have to have these items per se, but you can do different ways to make this fit look right. So if you get a gold chain belt, you can still wear cheetah print shoes, or if you have those metallic heels, that'll be so cute. A lot of us have those clear heels. This will go with this outfit as well, but this is what I choose to pair for this fit. Now, this actually makes it look like a skirt and a shirt outfit instead of just a dress, just by adding this simple belt. And then I have on some hoop earrings, and I added my cream purse. Your purse does not have to be name brand. I'm just gonna be real with y'all. A trench coat would have popped this off, but I ain't think about it. You look like where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. And I just wanted to show you guys a different way, crossbody, on your shoulder, or in hand like a clutch. All right, and these, again, y'all already know, next fit always gotta have some extra color, a pop of color with these tassel yellow earrings. I'm going back to the jean look, but I wanted to show you how you can vamp up a shirt and make this fit look like a shirt and a skirt. So what I'm doing is taking a plain blue jean top, and I'm going to tie it in front. Well, this makes it look like I'm wearing a shirt and a skirt. Cute and casual and simple. And then the buttons, which they're brown. And then I added a blue jean clutch that's slightly darker than the blue jean shirt. And if you guys can't see, I have the buttons on the shirt, they're brown. And the tongues on my Nike shoes, they're gray. But the tongues on my Nike shoes are actually brown, which just a small detail will set your fit off. That's it for this fit. It's actually my favorite out of all the casual fits that I did. This is my favorite because it's the most versatile. You don't have to have much. Everyone has a blue jean shirt in their closet, so this is something that is essential. And everyone has, tennis shoes, so you can even put white tennis shoes with this and it still have the fit rocking. And make sure you add that pop of color. Your pop of color does not have to be yellow, but I would say a pop of color makes the fit better. Here I am back again with this basic dress, and I just like to call this fit the tuck. This is the only outfit that I actually had a name for it, but I would just tuck my favorite ripped jeans. I would just take my favorite ripped jeans, black, and I would tuck my dress into my jeans. Girl, you better hop into them jeans. Beyonce, you don't know my pain until you hop into some jeans, or whatever Beyonce said, or something, girl. But yeah, get into my jeans, tuck my dress in like it's a shirt, just in case you don't have a black shirt to wear. You can always switch it out and be like, I ain't got a black shirt. Let me go grab this basic dress and make it into a shirt. Yes, ma'am. So now I'm just gonna take a leather jacket. It's a blue yellow jacket, and I'm just going to add this as another layer. We're layering on to this fit. Y'all, my braids got in the way in this entire video, so forgive me my braids. But adding this leather jacket, and then I'm gonna take these suede pointed toe booties, and that will complete my fit. And I'm talking about these booties are so cute, but let me tell you, they are our shoes, like 1 hour shoes, and everybody has them. Them 1 hour shoes, they be so cute. You go out in and you come back either barefooted or with some other shoes on because they hurt. What I love about black dresses, your black essential basic dresses, again, they're so versatile. They honestly, they make everything look the best, like, and you can do so much with them. Yeah, girl, you cute or whatever. And last but not least, I'm adding another pop of color, and I said I will stick with yellow. And I have this cute snakeskin mini purse with a gold chain, and I'm having a hard time putting it on my shoulder because it's trying to stick to the leather. So yeah, and then my braids are in the way. Cute girl problems. But yeah, here is my fit. Get it together, sis. Get it together. All right. Okay, we got it together. Like, honestly, you wouldn't even know that this shirt was a dress if I had just not told you guys. It is what it is. So guys, this is it for this entire video. Do not forget to, I'm just gonna say it, follow me on Instagram. Hit me up. Share this video on your IG story. Let somebody know that you're watching me. Tag me in it. Sis, it is, hey, you're helping me out. I'm telling you, while I'm helping you guys out. Don't forget, God got you. You got this. We always need to remember that. The Lord always has us. And please do me a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video as I try to figure out what I'm gonna do with my purse. I love you lots. Be breezy. Bye.